Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Friday, 22nd of November, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this weekend. And yes, we do have homework this weekend, guys. We have 2 days left of school before Thanksgiving break. We've got some things to get done. In math, both regular and honors, we have our Chapter 4 test on Monday. In science, there is no homework. Social studies, there is no homework, although we do have a quiz next Tuesday, so you need to study for that. Your notes through Mesopotamia over Sumer. In language arts, our flip notes packet is due Monday. Please make sure that they're all complete, accurate, and neat. You also need to be reviewing your notes for Monday's test. The quizzes game is also a study tool for you. Please make sure that you are preparing over the weekend. In literature, on Monday, we've got a test over literary devices and elements. Please use the study tool that is found within Google Classroom to prepare for this. Also, our book project that was due, that is due this upcoming Monday, was assigned last week. You've had all week to get that done, so hopefully we complete it and get that submitted in Classroom this weekend. Also, in CNL, you do have a test on Monday. One thing I did forget to mention, in math, there is an optional review. I highly recommend going and doing that. That is found in your Big Ideas online math book. That's going to be it for today. Everyone have a great weekend, and go Bucks.